to do a little bit different of a video than I normally do. Usually I would do like a vlog style video for this sort of event, but instead I'm going to go through every aspect, walk you through what I did, intersperse some clips of the entertainment and characters, and just give you my overall thoughts instead of doing a long vlog of everything. I will be uploading the full parade, fireworks, and castle show as separate videos, so keep an eye open for that, and I will link them below as they are uploaded. But let's get into it. Overall, it was a lot of fun. I did enjoy myself immensely. It was very expensive for what it is, and you do have to prioritize. You have to either basically pick the rides or pick the entertainment. There is no way to do both. However, compared to Boo Bash, there is so much more entertainment at this after-hours event. So let's go over the entertainment. For character sightings, we did Santa, the Tweedles, and Santa Stitch. However, there were some other meetings. There were Hook and Smee over in Adventureland. The Country Bears were meeting outside their attraction in Frontierland. And Pooh and Friends were meeting outside Crystal Palace. Now, Mickey was honestly kind of a missed opportunity there because he was meeting in Town Square Theater, but he was in his 50th attire, so no special Christmas meet there.
How are you? Feeling silly? I'm good, thanks. I can't do spinny rides. It makes me sad too.
Let's go through the entertainment now. We started by camping out for about 30 to 40 minutes for the first parade at Step Off, which is right by Splash Mountain. I would honestly not recommend watching from that area. The lighting isn't all that great looking back, and there's a lot of cast members there that have to do obviously they have to do their job, but they have to do certain things, which kind of gets in the way of your parade viewing. So that was my only real regret for the night, was watching the first parade from Step Off. I do not know how the crowds were anywhere else, but we had to get there about 40 minutes before the first parade to get the spot that we had.
Hello, folks. We're so glad you could make it to our party. It's so cool to see you here. And since we got a place to go, that's it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Once upon a Christmas time. Hey, everybody, it's the holidays. Time for something sweet. This is my favorite time of the year. Wonderful time of the year. It's a fairy tale for all the time you will recall.
Then we followed the parade through Frontierland and went to the hub to watch the castle show. After the parade cleared, like the crowds cleared from the parade, we were able to get right up to the front about 10-15 minutes before the second show. A cast member did tell us that she recommended seeing the second or third show because the first show is obviously the most crowded because people camp out for that.
Season's greetings, everybody. Welcome to Mickey and Minnie's Very Merry Memories.
Memories with others, we make new ones to go run along with them.
Ready? Come on, folks. Let's make some very merry memories together.
That's a great idea, Mickey. Jingle bells, jingle, jingle, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Uh-oh, wait a minute. We're missing Donald.
Where'd it go?
Donald, you found them!
Come on in, everybody. Feliz Navidad, amigos.
Buon Luigi. Feliz Navidad.
The three caballeros reunited again for the holidays.
Time to celebrate.
All right, amigos, let's do this. Uno, dos, tres. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Oh, yeah. Feliz Navidad.
What is it?
I can't believe she came! Folks, please help me welcome my dear friend, the diva of Derry, Miss Clarabelle Dow!
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. Make my wish come true. Sing it with me, dear. All I want for Christmas is you.
Well, looky there.
She's wonderful! You, baby, Santa, won't you bring the fun I really do? Please bring my baby to me. I don't want a lot for Christmas. This is all I'm asking for. I just want to see my baby standing right outside my door.
Hey, gang, let's celebrate the season with a holiday sing-along.
Woo, that's a great idea! Oh, Mickey, this will be fun! But where should we start?
Yeah, Mickey, there are so many songs to choose from.
Here's one I think everybody will know. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how it came to life one day.
There must have been some magic in the meadows of that they found.
And when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be. And the children said he could laugh and play just the same as you and me.
Whoa! Who's got a beard that's long and white? Who comes around on a special night? Special night in the white. Must be Santa. Must be Santa. Must be Santa. Santa Claus. That's me, folks.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you and all of your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
For the stage show, I thought it was a lot of fun. The song choices that they picked were great. They flowed really well together. They got rid of that stupid Daisy texting song. The performers were really good. I truly enjoyed listening and watching them perform. Overall, I would recommend seeing the show for sure if you're really into entertainment. You don't have to wait that long to get a good spot either. Then we went back to the hump, which is right in front of Casey's Corner. As for my thoughts on the fireworks, I really enjoy Minnie's fireworks. I think they're fun. A lot of people don't like them because there's not as many projections as some of the newer shows, and there's not as much pyro. You do get the perimeter, well, quasi-perimeter at this point, because I learned that where they're building Tron is where one of the blast points used to be for the perimeter fireworks. So there aren't as many in this particular show as there used to be. But overall, fireworks were at 11:15. We got there at around 11. And I love them. I'm biased maybe, but I enjoyed them. Definitely recommend seeing them. The crowd honestly wasn't that bad the further back you got from the hub area.
It's a marshmallow world in the winter.
We've got yummy treats for everyone.
It's a sweet trick to the candy shop. And the sunny beats of peppermint and I want candy.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Satisfying and delicious.
Everyone wishes for silver and gold. It's our kind of Christmas time at Christmas. On every Christmas tree.
Don't forget to send me a letter. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Happy holidays.
Let's talk about the food. So, complimentary with admission, you get the water, soda, popcorn, and 3 different kinds of ice cream. You could either get the Mickey bar, you could get the ice cream sandwich, or the strawberry ice cream pop. There's also the snickerdoodles and hot cocoa at 4 different locations throughout the park. We didn't get to take advantage of this as much as I had hoped we would because we were hopping between different entertainment points. As for the paid snacks, all of them were really underwhelming. We got to try 3 of them. The Orange Bird churros, the flavor was really nice, but the churro itself was cold and stale, so wouldn't recommend that one. As for the funnel cake, basic funnel cake with some seasoning on top and canned apple pie filling. So I didn't really like that one either, and the float was absolutely disgusting. No. Really did not like that. 2 out of 10, maybe less. I drank 1 sip and wanted to throw it out immediately. Overall, I would skip out on the paid snacks and just stick to the ones that came with admission. Overall, was it worth the $170 I paid to get in there? Probably not. Did I enjoy it? I enjoyed it immensely. It was a great way to get into the holiday spirit, and I truly had a lot of fun last night. However, keep in mind that the closer you get to Christmas, the more expensive the tickets get. It does get up to about $250 in the week leading up to Christmas. Unlike with Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, I didn't have to choose which entertainment I wanted to see. Usually you would have to pick, like, you could see one parade, the fireworks, and if you were lucky, you'd get a stage show from a distance back. And doing that, you might get to meet 1 or 2 characters and get on absolutely no rides. So it was nice to be able to get a lot done in the 4-hour time span that we were given. The crowds were low, and after the fireworks, they just got continually lower and lower and lower. Overall, it was definitely better than Boo Bash. I will give it that. However, I am going to Disneyland in the near future, so trip announcement there. And I will be going to Merriest night, so I look forward to being able to compare and contrast the Disneyland after hours versus the Disney World after hours for the holidays. So thank you so much for following along with me today. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. I do a lot of Disney content. I'm also going to Disneyland in the future, so there will be Disneyland content as well coming up. And always remember to soar over the magic. See you guys!